Alright, to start with, I have the 1248B Moen cartridge. And I also have the 14272 cartridge removal tool. And I also have a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver to pop off the cover of the handle. We will start by popping off this lid. Okay. And then loosen this one. I've already closed the main water valve and release water and release the pressure. Then just pop it off like that. And then unscrew the chrome nut using a pair of pliers. Loosen it out counterclockwise. Next, remove the chrome nut as well as the white adapter. Next, remove this stem extension using a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw. Insert needle nose pliers into the valve body so that they are in the recesses of the cartridge nut. Unscrew the cartridge nut counterclockwise to remove it. Ew. Yuck. Dirty. And clean it up as well as you can. Remove cartridge nut using the 14272 Moen retainer removal tool. It is coming out. There it is. There it is. Such a small piece. Set that aside. And then we need to get through that cartridge right there. Alright, I finally found a screw. Let's put that inside and screw this in. And I'm popping this out. Yeah, got it. Now to put back in the new cartridge. Let's clean this out. So I'll dry this back. Put this back. This back, the chrome trimming. Okay, and next I'll put this one. So next we'll just have to put this back. And just place it so we have a good seat. And then just put the screw back. Insert the white adapter and screw back on the chrome nut. Tighten the chrome nut with a pair of pliers clockwise. Put back the faucet handle and secure it with the provided Phillips screw. Now put back the cover of the faucet handle. Turn on the water supply and check for any leakage. Yay! It is new, no leak. We did it! All good. I don't see any leakage. See. Wait a little bit. Make sure there's no... I don't see any active leakage.